Uh, Good morning. This is Professor Renaud Janissien Nkunku, elected Secretary General of United Nations, and Laura Kwachita, United Nations International Attorney of Petroleum, Minerals and Energy. We are here in Geneva, and today we are December 3rd. December 3rd. Ladies and gentlemen, when you have a responsibility of people, even if there is a difficulties, if you want to lead difficulties, we have to act all the time. So we continue for Thanksgiving. Many people around the world support us, but don't support us. Support the change. Change because we come from COVID. COVID is still there. So we are in the front line for your health. Our program started many years ago about health for all, still relevant for this critical time because there is a COVID, there is a, you are confined again. You are confined again. Some of them are in hospital, quarantine. Is a bioterrorism. So we have to fight to overcome that. Now it's 2 years of COVID. We cannot continue like that. So I will hand it when I will go to New York to sit there, and I will hand it. I have a plan, I have agenda. There is no planet B. So we cannot kill innocent by COVID. And yourself, you feel not comfortable with a mask. People, the vaccine, they're still wearing a mask. So many people lie, many laboratory doctor and everything, they lie about effectiveness of a vaccine. They lie that the vaccine are efficient. But remember that when I develop, I bring the truth about this vaccine, many people, I was fired. But today, Dr. Fauci, I think, found it right. And I want to thank Angela Merkel for Germany was the first support us and ban other vaccine, okay, other vaccine. So I'm still seeing God give me a reason because I'm still seeing until you get eight vaccine. And to show that the vaccine is not efficient, there is no effectiveness of vaccine for that. The lie about the vaccine is killing innocent, is killing the people around the world. Thank you so much. I want to wish happy New Year to Pope Francis. Pope Francis. I want to wish happy New Year to all African people, Latin American, Australian people, European people, Asia people around the world, people around the world. Okay. The deep state provide the collective debt, but we are not going to accept that. We provide saving lives. We were at in our balance sheet. We were at the border of Mexico. We fight for Latin American at the border of Mexico when people lie that they were in the border, in the wall, in the border, when people lie. But for us, we stood for that. So that was good. Another border, it's Belarus and Poland. We saw how we save people there. So our balance sheet is so rich, and we are proud for that. But it's not to be proud, it's to save lives, to continue to save, to achieve, to save lives. That's our vocation, that's our fight. And we will do that even if everybody keep quiet, keep a mask and the silent. We're going to continue to fight until we set people free, and we guarantee them their health. We, in our balance sheet also, we save Rohingyas in Myanmar. We save democracy. We're still fighting for democracy, as Aung San Suu Kyi, elected president, is still in jail. We in the balance sheet also, we save, we intervene for Uyghur, and we'll continue to negotiate with the government of China for about Uyghur. So there is our balance sheet is constructive, and we did many things. Okay, well, we did many things. We hope that we will continue to achieve together this work at New York as a Secretary General of the United Nations. Thank you so much to all people around the world. People are dying, but the manufacture the video show that they give impression that they're still alive. No, people are dying. We have to stop that. We have to save life. That's what we are going to do. Thank you so much. I don't want to abuse the time of this beautiful lady that I meet. What's your name?
Emilia,
Emilia? From where?
from Switzerland.
From Switzerland.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So we have a lot of work. We don't have time. And thank you so much. God bless nation. God bless we people around the world. Thank you so much. Happy New Year.